Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my blog and YouTube channel. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. I have a unique project to share with you today. It is an envelope, really, super cute. Has a little magnet on it. And just a really simple card. This is very sort of masculine. And I wanted to share with you how I made it. I changed out the colorway for this card, and I'm featuring chocolate chip. So I have a piece of 10 by 6 cardstock here, and on the long side, so on the 10-inch side, I'm going to score at 2 5/8 and 7 3/8. And then on the short side, I'm going to score at 1/2. So this goes together pretty quickly. I'm going to fold and burnish all of my score lines. I'm just going to cut a little wedge there, and I'm going to cut this completely off. Same on this side. So it is kind of up to you. You could put this card on the outside, but I prefer it on the inside. So I'm just going to use a little fast fuse along the way there. Hang on, got a cat hair. And then on just pick a side, doesn't really make a difference. Just one. All right, so I'm folding this guy up, and then I will fold the side that has the adhesive on it, and then fold that together. All right. Easy, right? So when I cut my piece down, I have a 1-inch strip left over. So I am going to adhere that 1-inch strip along the bottom. But first, I'm just going to round it like this. So I'm using my punch here, and it doesn't really matter how long how long it is, because you'll figure it out. I think this is called the everyday label. I'm not 100% sure, but okay. And then I'm just going to put fast fuse down that seam. I'm going to adhere, and it'll be easier to do it if I was to put everything flat on my surface. And sort of gently coax it. So that's where that's going to go. All right, now is time for the magnets. I get these little magnets. Everybody asks me about them, so I'll just tell you straight away. These magnets are from Spider Magnets out of eBay, and I believe they're from the UK. I'm thinking that these are 1/2 millimeter thick. They are tiny, like, let's measure. They're smaller than 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to put one on the roundness there. Then I'm going to slap that second one on, because it will do the positive and negative part of magnet. Put another glue dot on it. There we go. And I'm going to gently close, press. That magnet is going to be adhered to the front. Now I have a piece of True Gentleman Designer Series paper. This happens to be the one with bow ties. And this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. 5 by 4 1/4. So basically I've hidden that magnet underneath. so it's going to close nice. Now I have just one of the little extra bows from one of my offcuts here. And I am going to adhere it right to that little piece. Cute. Guys really don't mind. Less is more, basically, with guys. I think they don't like sparkle or anything like that. So then I can just slide my regular size 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card and kind of wedge it in underneath and close it with the tab. So that is my share for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will catch you again soon. Bye.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf to visit my website, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.